Today on Andrew MH Reviews, we are looking at something that doesn't even feel real. I mean, seriously, this isn't just a motorhome, this is a full-blown luxury glass mansion on wheels. From the very first look, this thing completely breaks every rule of traditional RV design. The entire structure is built around massive floor-to-ceiling glass panels, giving it a futuristic, almost architectural look. It feels more like a high-end modern villa than something you would ever expect to see driving down the road. And let's talk about the setting for a second. Parked here in the middle of this stunning mountain landscape, it almost blends into the environment like a luxury retreat. Except, this one can move. Now, starting with the exterior design, the first thing you notice is the sheer scale. This is a multi-axle motorhome, meaning it's built to handle serious weight and size. And it needs it, because what you're looking at here is essentially a multi-level living space. The LED lighting is beautifully integrated all around the body, giving it this soft golden glow, especially during sunset and nighttime. It highlights the curves, the glass, and the structure in a way that makes it look more like a luxury hotel than a vehicle. And then there's the upper level and rooftop area. This is where things go to another level. Literally. You've got what appears to be a full rooftop lounge or terrace, complete with seating space and open views. This is something...
And again, everywhere you look, glass, light, and views. Whether you're parked in the mountains, by the ocean, or in the city, this motorhome is designed to connect you with your surroundings. Now, let's be real for a second. This is not about practicality. This is not something you take to a basic campsite or squeeze into tight parking spaces. This is a statement piece. It's built for a very specific kind of lifestyle, one where luxury, design, and experience come first. Driving something like this would require skill, planning, and probably a dedicated route. But for those who can afford it, that's part of the experience. And speaking of affordability, this kind of motorhome is almost certainly in the multi-million-dollar range. We're talking about something that competes with luxury homes, not just vehicles. So who is this actually for? This is for high-end travelers, celebrities, or anyone who wants the absolute best of both worlds, a luxury home and the freedom to move it anywhere. It's also perfect for those who want privacy without giving up comfort. Imagine having this parked in a remote location, surrounded by nature, but still enjoying five-star living. Now, final thoughts. This motorhome is not just impressive, it's on a completely different level. It redefines what a motorhome can be, pushing it beyond transportation into architecture, design, and lifestyle. It's bold, it's futuristic, and honestly, it almost doesn't feel real. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible motorhomes right here on Andrew MH Reviews. And I'll see you in the next one.